Ũmũthĩ nĩguo ngavana wa Meru ekũmenya harĩa arũgamĩire wona cira wa kũhagũrwo gwake warĩka gũthikĩrĩrio bunge-inĩ ya Senate na maseneta maikie kura ya kũnyita mbaru itua rĩa bunge ya Meru rĩa kũmũhagũra kana maregane narĩo. Arĩ mũthenya wa kerĩ wa cira ũyũ, ngavana Mwangaza nĩahetwo mweke wa gwĩta aira ake mweke-inĩ wake wa gwĩtetera igũrũ rĩa thitango mũgwanja iria ahandĩirwo, iria nĩ hamwe na ũhũthĩri mũru wa wobici. Rĩu tuthie ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe kinyagia kũrĩa cikaro-inĩ cia bunge ya Senate tuigue ũrĩa cira ũcio ũrathiĩ na mbere kwambanwo.
And if it's taking longer, you can move on to the next.
We have 4 hours within which to prosecute and hear the defense by the governor.
Allow me call our first witness, Nicholas Kenywa Josephat. Right. It has been said that the governor of Meru has been unable to work with any of the elected leaders, specifically members of county assembly. Is that your position?
It is not my position.
Has the governor been able to work with members of county assembly of Meru?
Exactly. After the first impeachment, the governor made peace with majority, if not all, of the members of county assembly, and we have had a good working relationship.
Yesterday, counsel for the county assembly said that that marriage lasted for a few weeks after the first impeachment. Is that the position? And if it's not the position, how long did that harmonious working relationship last?
I can confirm that we have been having a good working relationship with the governor after the first impeachment. It cannot be said that it lasted for a few weeks because it has been so until mid-September when cracks and crises were introduced to the members of county assembly.
I want to refer you to the happenings of 14th of October 2022. Are you aware of anything that took place at Ncheru on 14th of October 2023?
Yes, I'm aware.
What happened there?
During check, members were called, and they were few, because not all of them were called to go and attend a tree planting ceremony. We were not to plant trees, but it turned to be political or a political rally, and many things happened there, which annoyed the jury checking. What happened? There is an oath which was given to the leaders of the Meru Assembly, that is the MCAs, and that one annoyed us because that one is a shrine, and according to Meru traditions or Njurinteke traditions or regulations and rules, in a shrine you cannot administer any oath in that shrine.
Thank you. So you confirm that there was an oath administered at the Njurinteke shrine?
Yes, there was.